Hi everyone, welcome back to Unapologetic Divya. So today we'll be talking on the topic which we all have experienced. Be it quietly, be it loudly. That is the feeling of revenge. You know that moment जब आपको कोई hurt करता है, आपके अंदर वो revenge की feeling आ जाती है. ओ उसने मुझे hurt किया, वो मुझे कैसे hurt कर सकता है. And trust me, I get it. That is a feeling of pain and everyone can get that feeling because you are human. किसी ने आपके साथ गलत किया है तो ऑब्वियसली एज अ ह्यूमन इमोशन हम सबके मन में ये आता है दैट उसने मेरे साथ ऐसे कैसे किया, आई विल टेक अ रिवेंज. बट टुडे आई वांट you and me to sit together, have a detailed discussion, take a breath, and let's talk deeper on this topic. Because revenge feels like fire bombs in beginning and destructive in the end. हम सब सोचते हैं कि अगर हम रिवेंज ले लेंगे we'll feel much lighter, we'll feel much free. बट कभी आपने नोटिस किया है जितना ज़्यादा हम उस रिवेंज को अपने अंदर रखते हैं उतना ज़्यादा हम ओवर थिंक करते हैं, उतना ज़्यादा हम उसके साथ चलते हैं, उसके साथ ही सोते हैं, उसके साथ ही उठते हैं. वो मोमेंट हमारे दिमाग से जाता ही नहीं है. वी आर स्टक टू दैट बिकॉज रिवेंज डज नॉट डिस्कनेक्ट यू फ्रॉम द हर्ट. इट विल कीप यू स्टिच्ड टू दैट इमोशन. द पर्सन हु हैज हर्टेड यू probably has moved on with his life happily and you are still in that moment feeling the pain day and night and hurting yourself. जिंदगी का एक बहुत सिंपल रसूल है, where your attention goes your life flows in the same way. अगर आप अपनी अटेंशन उस इंसान पे रखते हो जिसने आपको हर्ट किया, हर्ट करके वो मूव ऑन हो गया, उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता कि आप क्या फील कर रहे हो, आप किस पेन में, तो यू विल स्टॉप ग्रोइंग. यू आर एक्चुअली स्टॉपिंग योर ग्रोथ बिकॉज बाय दिस your dreams take a pause, your healing take a pause, your peace take a pause. Revenge feels like progress, but it is actually a detour which will take you miles away from your dream, from your life, from your focus, from your goal. See, revenge is loud, understanding is quiet. Revenge always reacts, but understanding always reflects. Because revenge always says this, that if you had hurted me, आई विल हर्ट यू इन द सेम मैनर. मैं बदला लूंगा, मैं उसने मेरे साथ कैसे किया. बट अंडरस्टैंडिंग कहती है लेट इट गो. वाई शुड आई बिहेव द सेम वे यू हैव बिहेव विद मी. देन वॉट विल बी द डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू एंड मी. दैट इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग, दैट इज मेच्योरिटी, दैट इज मोर पावर, मोर पीस टू यू. यू डोंट हील बाय ब्रेकिंग समवन एल्स, you heal by not to break yourself in that particular process. Because if you'll stand stiff, if you'll stand strong, that okay, if someone has hurted me, if someone has misbehaved with me, then that's okay. I will not react in the same manner. I will let it go. I understand there is a pain you feel. As a human we all feel pain, but that's okay. It will take time, but by the time you will realize that whatever has happened, which is okay, but we should not react to that particular situation by taking a revenge. We should understand the situation and move on. It will give you more growth, more peace. लोग कहते हैं कि उसने मेरे साथ गलत किया, I will take a revenge, I will hurt him the same way. But letting go का मतलब ये नहीं होता that we are saying that person is right. It is just that we are just saying not to behave in the same way. It is just that choosing peace over chaos. Letting go is choosing your future over memories. Letting go is choosing your mental health over your ego. Because weakness वो होती है जिसमें आप react करते हो, बल्कि weakness वो होती है जिसमें आप rise करते हो. You get peace, you get more power, you get more focused in your life. Real truth is when you start healing yourself, by working on yourself, glowing from inner within, it will build a peaceful life for you. Because you naturally outgrow the people who tries to break you. And it is the sweetest, calmest, happiest revenge which you will be taking. Not loud, not pity, not dramatic. Just growth and peace will make you the person who someone will not have the access of. Because someone will not be able to hurt you, because that is the best revenge you will be taking. By not reacting to it, by not behaving the same way the person has behaved with you. Because you have gone in that situation where it doesn't matter to you that a person has hurted you. If you'll not react, if you have a good smile on your face, that is the best revenge you will be taking from someone. It is not necessary to react every time. Sometimes it is okay to be silent, sit back and analyze and understand the situation by not reacting to it. Thank you for listening and for being someone who choose growth over reaction if revenge has ever come to your mind. It's okay. It means you are human. You will feel pain by hurt if someone has hurted you. By choosing not to react and to rise is more powerful thing which you can have in your life apart from taking revenge. And remember one thing, you don't heal by hurting someone. You heal by moving forward in your life. Thank you so much for listening to me. See you in next episode. Till then, stay gentle, stay grounded and take care of yourself. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.